in my new video। तो इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूँगी बेसिकली हाउ आई ट्रेडेड टुडे फिन निफ्टी एक्सपायरी एंड व्हाट वर द लेवल्स विच आई फॉलोड व्हेन डिड आई मेक द फर्स्ट एंट्री। सो इस वीडियो को आपको लास्ट तक देखना होगा समझने के लिए कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई डिड टुडे टू ट्रेड इन बेसिकली इन फिन निफ्टी। सो अगर हम फर्स्ट ट्रेड की बात करें, so this were the levels. First of all, try to understand what were the levels. So this was the first level of support for me for fin nifty. So this is the level, and when the market opened today in the morning, so 9:15 पे जब market opened, it almost supported this level and I could see we got an injection candle here somewhere around here and 350 को इसने टच करके ऑलमोस्ट इसने यहाँ से इसको ऑलमोस्ट टच किया, बट आफ्टर दैट आई इमीडिएटली गॉट हियर वी गॉट अ ग्रीन कैंडल एंड फॉलोड बाय अदर ग्रीन कैंडल। तो इस पॉइंट पे जो था आई डिसाइडेड टू शॉर्ट अ पी बिकॉज आई नो दैट इट विल बी सस्टेनिंग द 350 levels. So you can see my verified PNL. So in this verified PNL, if you see, the first thing is the 350 ka P, this one, which I have kept till I think exit, when I exited all my positions till that time I kept it here. So this 350p, and after that what happened is that market followed that, but the puts were still sustaining. So here, but when it came down and when the market started almost here, you can see the doji candle. So almost market continuously moved in this range till 115. So till this time I have sorted a couple of calls as well, means मुझे लगा कि कॉल्स भी शॉर्ट करने चाहिए एज एन ऑप्शन सेलर, तो यहाँ पर मैंने शॉर्ट किया। बट आफ्टर इमीडिएटली दिस डोजी कैंडल फॉलोड एंड एट दिस लेवल व्हेन फिन निफ्टी क्रॉस 22,500 लेवल्स, ऑलमोस्ट माई मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉल SL गॉट हिट। सो यहाँ पर मेरे कॉल के जो SL थे वो हिट हो गए। सो एट दिस लेवल आई हैव टू एग्जिट माई कॉल एंड बट स्टिल द पुट्स वेयर देयर विथ मी, एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑलमोst the I was able to carry the puts, and as I mentioned that mostly I will not keep it till the end of the expiry, so I almost booked the position. So this was quite a, I would say, a kind of okay or good expiry. So apart from these two other accounts I have booked it, which I have shared on my Twitter timeline. So around 1.6% ROI I have booked on my deployed capital, which is I think is quite good in this kind of, because अगर आपने ये मॉर्निंग में अगर आपने इमीडिएटली मार्केट ओपन होते से अगर पोजीशन ली होगी, सो आई expect that most of the SLs would have got hit, but here I think I took a decision, as I mentioned in my last video as well. I waited for some time and then I took a new position here. So you can go and check my verified PNL about the strikes and you can ask me questions if you have any. So this is for fin nifty. Now let's discuss some trade plans for tomorrow for bank nifty expiry. So if we see the bank nifty, you can see here these are the levels which I have marked. So first level of support is definitely for me is 49,950. So this is the first level of support. 49,950 is the first level of support. The second will be this one, this support, can you see, 50,200. So 50,200 will be my second level of support. But as you know, the bank nifty is also in a uptrend. So first, initially when the market open, you need to see where the bank nifty is heading to. So पहले आपको देखना पड़ेगा bank nifty कहाँ जा रहा है, कि किस zone में है, if it is supporting both this support level, so accordingly you have to create your positions. So ये मेरे कल के लिए रहेगा ट्रेड प्लान. So this one I will consider as a resistance. So 50,500 I will consider as a resistance for tomorrow, and considering this I will create my position accordingly. As I mentioned, I only trade intraday nowadays. I am not carrying any overnight position. So based on this levels only I will start creating my position, and definitely I will share my post market. I will share how I traded the expiry. If you feel the video is useful and if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below. I will respond back, and please do subscribe to this channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.